paint some shit, gunners. Just a quick slap it out there job here. Car yard job. I started this at 3 o'clock. It's about 4:15, yeah, maybe 4 now. So I want to go home. It's Friday today. I want to go home and watch the footy, spend some time with the missus. Junk food Friday for me. Always look forward to that. I don't know, I think we're going to get either pizza or Macca's tonight. Oh boy, yeah, maybe both. Why not? Reward yourself from working hard all week. Yeah, I was working on this skyline, getting these parts primed up, and then the boss said, oh, didn't so-and-so tell you that I want these painted today? I'm like, no, would have been nice to have known before. So I had to prime, colour match and prep this whole job, yeah, within like an hour. And now here we are in the booth. Quick prep's all down, just a car yard one, I said that before. And yeah, I just put 2 coats of primer, just whizzied it, like just didn't block it or anything. I did actually fix 3 dents through this door. There was one on that quarter panel. I'm like, mate, panel beaters didn't fix it. I didn't even ask if they wanted it fixed. It's like, you want it painted today, it's not getting done. If they want it fixed, they can pay a bit of money on Monday to get a paintless dent removal guy out. I always like holding up my end of the bargain. Cars never don't go because I didn't get my side done, you know, and they don't ever not get painted because I didn't do my job or I didn't work hard enough. That's just my work ethic anyway. Just get in, don't complain, get it done. I like that line in, I think it's a Bon Jovi song, something like that. Ain't no use in complaining when they got a job to do. Colour was a little bit red. Let's put like, and it needed a touch of blue and black in it. So got that within one swing, mate. One tint. Got this high pressure airline I've been using now. Got a brand new tack rack. It's wide. I didn't trust that old one. It was getting a bit dirty. Don't want black bits of crap on the white car. Yeah, I wasn't planning on doing a vid. I just thought, why not? It's only going to be a 10-minute vid. It's not going to take me long to paint this. We've got the clear in the gun, colour in the gun. I'm just going to force dry it. I've got the spray booth cranking up to 30 degrees, nice and hot. So, base coat, bang, bang, dry that down, and clear coat it. HP variant, base coat, clear coat. I had a blend there, so I thought may as well use it, a couple of blends. Do a little flick, a little bit of a piss out up there, we call it. Fade out, whatever you want to call it. That has a little bit of crap caught up in it. In a hurry, and I don't want to have to go back out and clean the gun. It's usually a little bit of paint that didn't get cleaned properly. Look up around here. This should sort it. Another thing those blades are handy for, Colab blades, love those things. Always keep one in my pocket. It should be spraying properly now. There we go, a bit better. Better whack that respirator on. Too much of a hurry. Woo! Yeah, I tell you what, it's nice and warm in here.
I don't usually paint at this temperature, but it's not usually Friday at 25 or 20 past 4. Bit of a cheap way of drying your base coat. Paint reps tell me, oh, you're not meant to do that with solvent. Ah, bullshit, mate. It works. If it works with water, why wouldn't it work with solvent? They just don't want to let you have one up on them because your base coat dries so much quicker. And they want to push you towards water. No, mate, it slows you down so much. Yeah, this is water, man. I wouldn't be walking out at the same time as I'll be walking out tonight. I'd be having to do an extra 5 or 10 minutes overtime. How about I got time for that? Yeah, boss did tell me, he's like, mate, it doesn't have to be perfect. Just a job for a car yard. Just bang it out if you can. He said it'll be greatly appreciated. So, going to the rescue once again. But that's fully covered now. I'll do the blend and just like another coat just to be sure, so I don't get it out in the sun and find it's a bit see-through. Love my Blow-O-Matic 3000. So I've got 260 mils of clear mixed up. Generally 130 mils per panel these days. How quick does that dry? Nice amount of heat, smashing that hair over it. Loves it, mate. High pressure I found with the white, and get it really fine atomization, like small droplets, and the blends look good. You can see that on the overspray there, it's very, very fine droplets of paint. Sometimes I've found on solid colour whites, you can actually see every little droplet of colour on your blend. But if you turn the pressure right up, even use a minigun as I am, love this little thing, ANIR 150, mate. The winner of my top 8 minigun competitions. I know lots of people have bought this gun on my recommendation, and it's rare that you hear people saying they don't like it. It's just a workshop slap, mate. Just you can throw it around. You don't have to be overly precious with it, but it does the job every time. As long as you clean it out properly. That's another thing, like with solvent, you can sort of like rush your face and clear like you shouldn't, but on a day like this when you're just really in a hurry, you can just have that, say 90-95% dry, and then clear over it. If you do that with water, you're going to have a bad time. So I will give those blends a bit of a tack rag. I can see my overspray's even landed halfway up that door. I don't want to go and tack rag where I've got 3 wet coats of base coat. I don't want that tack rag to sink in. Bit of black crap on the blend. Not good. Let's clear this bad boy up. Get the hell out of here. Heading into my weekend, mate. You can see when I put the clear on, it actually changes the colour of that base coat. Which is why whenever you're doing test cards for solid colours, even if you're doing it in base coat, you should always clear them. I like to just dunk them in an old pot of clear. Yeah, boy. Hey, mate, hey. Not gonna run out there. Not gonna be left over with too much either. Don't like wasting this good clear. Down a clear. Bit more expensive than our previous clear, so actually came out quite good for a little smash it out job. Bit of fade out thinner. That'll buff straight up on Monday morning. No worries at all. Hey, and considering that's a car yard job, there's no silicone in it either. That's great. Very good news.
There you go, gunners. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this one. And I've got to go clean those guns out and get out of here. Have a good weekend. See you in the next one. Gunman out.